Did you know a small book could hold a civilization together when planets fall silent? Hello, explorers! Picture a generation that never knew blue skies. They live in stations, raised by the hum of pumps and the glow of grow lights. For them, Earth is not a place. It is a story. The journal is how the story survives. It is a handbook, a prayer, a logbook, and a mirror. It is the most powerful technology they own because it tells them who they are when stars do not answer. The first pages are practical. Fire is different in a pressure can. Water is a loop that must never break. Air is a chemistry lesson taught with songs that toddlers can remember while they play. The recipes are exact. The margins are human. Someone has drawn a fish they saw from a pier. Someone has taped a seed that will never sprout but means home. Then come the pages that hold the mind. A section on grief with breathing exercises that work in rooms. A section on conflict that teaches how to resolve a fight without a room to storm out of. A section on leadership that reminds captains that power in a can is not a throne. It is a burden measured in heartbeats kept safe through the night. Copying the journal is a rite of passage. Children learn to write what keeps them alive, then they learn to doubt it with respect. In every cohort, there is a proof day. Students must explain a filter, test a seal, and tell a story of someone they never met. The oath is simple. Keep the loop, keep the truth, keep each other. The journal fights two equal dangers. One is forgetting. The other is remembering too well. Forgetting is easy when data dies or when power runs low. Remembering too well is also a hazard. Grievances can calcify into dogma. Flags can return as ghosts that divide a room must remain one. The journal holds both truths. It teaches that error bars belong on history as they do on chemistry. It prints a warning above the war pages. Memory is a tool. Do not turn it into a weapon. There is a section called Earth at Night. It is not a map, it is a chorus of voices. Farmers describe the smell of soil after rain. A surfer records the sound of a break he chased for years. A child remembers tasting snow for the first time and crying because it was not sweet. These pages do not keep anyone alive. They keep everyone human. Technology supports the journal, but it does not replace it. There are backups on simple plates etched with symbols that any future reader can decode with light and patience. There are versions in songs sung without instruments. There are versions in drawings that a child can copy. The rule is clear. If a tool needs rare parts or a specialist, it is a luxury. If a tool can be rebuilt with simple means, it is a pillar. There is law in the journal. Short laws, not many. No one owns air. No one owns water. No one is left outside. Justice is swift, but never silent. Every punishment is written beside a lesson learned. The point is not fear. The point is memory that prevents the next injury. There is science too. Tables of algae yields, charts of radiation days, checklists for pressure loss. The science pages never stand alone. They are paired with stories of near misses and clean saves. A grandmother writes how she overrode a sensor and saved a harvest. Engineers add an appendix that explains how to test instinct against data before it becomes a rule. Finally, there is a pledge at the back. Every settlement writes its own line beneath a shared promise. We left a world that could have been kinder. We will not make the same mistakes in smaller rooms. We will build a future that our dead would forgive. So, what is survivor's memory? It is a design for culture under stress. It keeps truth and kindness inside the same cover. It is a reminder that civilization is not buildings. It is agreements remembered and renewed. What would you write on the first blank page? Your mother's recipe? Your best proof? Your hardest lesson? Tell us in the comments. Like this video if it sparked a plan for your own life archive. Subscribe for more journeys into futures that feel close enough to touch, only on Next Gen Science. Let us keep exploring together.